welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 28th to the 2nd of May 2025 on Monday. Nkosi is upset when Sandile hires Palisa. Isaac and Maria reconcile and Molapo support them. Molefe struggles with Ikanyeng's advances and she flirts with him too or at the car wash on Tuesday. Nkosi ignores Sandile and Palisa after Shoge advises him to let it go. Shoge seeks a prenup advice from Faith. Sandile defends his hiring decision. Ikanyeng declares herself Molefe's fan and Dorothy dismisses his concern on Wednesday. Palisa tries to win over the staff, but Nkosi ignores her. Shoge decides to amend the prenup for protection. Molefe tells Ikanyeng to stop visiting, upsetting her. Keletso appreciates Katleko's help with her studies on Thursday. Afraid of looking weak in Palisa's eyes, Sandile confronts Nkosi in front of everyone. While Palisa watches with satisfaction, Shoge meets with a lawyer to explore her prenup options on Friday. As Palisa thanks Sandile for standing up for her, Ona tells or calls him into her office and tells him to apologize to Nkosi and to respect him. Later, Molefe family rejects Ikanyeng's advances. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Welcome back.